a devastating day that no family member would ever want to happen to them. That knock on the door with five very simple words, "We regret to inform you." Now out of that, God did a work in me in an amazing way, and He brought me on a different mission, pulled me out of the process of grieving that I was going through, and put me on a path of remembering those that gave their lives for our country in a very big and phenomenal way. And that is done with a symbol that recognizes all lives lost in the history of our country, from the beginning of our country's beginnings in military history to the present time, the Honor and Remember flag. It was unveiled publicly on Memorial Day exactly 3 years ago. And this flag, the symbolism, very quickly, the red stands for the blood sacrifice shed for this country, American flag red. The white beneath it, the purity of that sacrifice, because every one of our men and women, each had a mission, and each one said to their families, "Don't worry, I've got it covered, I'll be back." The blue star in the center goes back to World War I, when a blue star was hung on the windows of military families that had someone in the fight. The gold star overlaid that blue star when those family members were not coming home. Very few in America today know what a gold star family member is. The folded flag recognizes a life lost handed to a family at the memorial of their loss. The eternal flames above it that we will never forget, and the words, "We will always honor their sacrifice and remember them specifically by name." The heart of what I do, the heart of this organization, is to touch the lives of every Gold Star family in America. And we do that in a very special way, and that is by personalizing this flag and presenting it individually in tribute to their loss. And we have two very special ladies that we would like to honor tonight. Both have lost their husbands in 1969. And it's presented this way because it mirrors the American flag that was handed at the memorial of her husband. That flag was respectfully folded, never to be unfolded, but to be encased reverently. The Honor and Remember flag is meant to be unfolded as a public thank you of that sacrifice and appreciation of her loss. Now I'd like to ask Darelynn to say something about her husband, if she will.
Hello. Ronnie was my childhood, my high school sweetheart. And he was the kind of guy that would help anyone, everybody's best friend. So it's only fitting that he went out the way he lived his life. So he got the Silver Star when he went to get his wounded man away from the line of fire. I mostly want to say something to the cold widows and mothers, Gold Star family members. I've been reading a lot on Facebook, and people are talking about how they worry that maybe the hero will be forgotten. Which I understand, because I was there. And if Ronnie can be remembered 32 years later, you can rest assured that your hero will be remembered too. Thank you.
This Honor and Remember flag is presented with eternal gratitude and respect in memory of Sergeant Ronald V. Hacker. With this flag, we honor this patriot's unwavering dedication and remember his selfless sacrifice. By displaying this symbol collectively as a nation, we humbly recognize the enormity of your loss and respectfully say thank you.
Thank you so much. Look how tall and bright around this picture. It's probably because I dried it there.
Well, it's starting to dry. Now it's drying down.